back to my channel. I'm Kathy from Creative KitKat. And so far, this is what I have done with my work in progress of Diamond Art Club's Divine Instinct. So you will see here, I'll be demonstrating how you could actually use AB drills and sparklers and even metallic drills into your own painting and um, customize it on your own painting, so your painting will be one of a kind artwork done by you. So with this particular painting, what I did was I have actually added this painting actually already comes with this painting already comes with AB sparklers, as you can see here. So these are, as you can see, if I cover the light, you will see that the gems, these white drills actually are called AB drills because it has additional sheen on it, not like regular. It has additional sheen on it. AB drills are called Aurora Borealis, and it gives additional shine onto the diamond, onto the drill itself. And what I did with this particular piece was that I've replaced and added my own silver metallic drills along the edge of the moon itself. See? So that's what I did to highlight this particular painting. So it already came with AB drills. I just replaced the gray on this side and added my own metallic silver drills instead. And then what I did was that while I was doing this eye, I replaced those, see those drills, I've replaced them with my own sparklers. Yeah, so initially, and then the blue ones here are also in AB drills. You can see that it's actually AB drills as well. And all over the yellow, the sun, because the eye itself is like a flare up of the sun. So the yellow ones here are all AB drills as well. And they're all AB drills as well. So what I did was that I also replaced these with gold metallic drills as well. Yeah, so you can see the sheen. Those drills that has sheen on them, those are all AB drills. So when it's out in the sun or direct sunlight, it actually shines, or it catches more sparkler, see, than the regular drills. So the oranges are all normal drills, and you can see beside it the difference between the AB drill and the regular drill. You can see the difference. And even the white on the eye is actually also AB drill. So I've actually most of the eye itself I have changed. I have changed it so that the eye will pop up a bit more than the what normal drills, if I use normal drills. So you look at the overall look of this painting, you will see that the eye actually popped up more than the usual. And I will actually post another video of what the eye will look like, what the eye looks like if I didn't change the drills to the AB drills and the sparklers. So I've actually tried to follow Diamond Art Club suggestion on the eye itself, but I've decided that I like this one better, so that's why I've copied it in both eyes. how it looks like. Isn't it gorgeous and fabulous and awesome? Yeah, so that's how you're supposed to use your AB drills. It's like you highlight the AB drills or sparklers. It's to highlight certain features of your painting itself. You don't want to like bombard the whole thing with AB drills. Like I know other people, what they do is that because this center on the forehead of the wolf itself is actually a moon. So what other people do, or what other people will think, what other people thinks they'll be doing is that they'll change this black thing in the middle and replace it with 310 AB drills. However, looking at it, because it's already covered by the white AB drill, and then I've added the silver as well, I didn't think that changing this whole thing into 310 AB drill will give it justice, because it's already been surrounded by a lot of the other colored drills. Yeah, so I decided to just leave it be, because I like the look of this particular painting, where the brightness of the colors pops out with the dark background itself. So I really fell in love with this particular painting. And thank you guys once again for watching this video. If you enjoyed it like I did, please give me a thumbs up so I know I'm doing the right thing. If you have any suggestions or questions, leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to get back to you promptly. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button if you haven't done so. I also have a new Facebook group, Diamond Painting Sparklers Australia. Of course, it is open to everyone, from an addict like me to a beginner who wants to start this hobby. I have added the link down below for you as well. Before you go, remember to sparkle like no other. See you on my next video. Bye!